Hello everyone! So today, mamimigay tayo ng flyers about QuentaPro. So basically, QuentaPro is a tool that helps small business owners to track their inventory, sales, as well as purchases, all in one place. So ngayon, we're going around and we'll share this to people who might find it useful for their businesses. So far, marami na rin tayong namigay na mga flyers, and ang goal lang talaga natin dito is to help business owners to stay organized of their finances. Kasi we all know na marami pa rin talagang business owners ngayon na manual pa rin yung tracking. Kung hindi sa notebooks, sa spreadsheet naman. So ito talaga yung goal ng QuentaPro para ma-ease yung hirap at mas madali naman yung pag-track ng lahat ng mga expenses and sales in one app. So ayun, if you have a business or you know someone who does, check out QuentaPro now.